To these palms, these are very valuable. You cut them 1, 2, 3, and you put it in water for decorations. It can last over a month as this green. About the value of this, and they would come to hunt these guys, especially for this 14th of February. Oh my! It's gonna be hunted all over the place.
We got it.
It's right here.
You what?
What fits you best is right here. The big ones and the medium sized ones.
I need a bit.
GoPro. No, the GoPro.
Oh, don't say that.
I know something bites my butt.
I'm getting out of here. Oh man, it's cold on my butt.
Watch yourself, sir.
Okay.
I know
Now,
Nicole gonna go to sleep.
try to look at me. Try to look at me.
Hi, Joseph.
Yeah. And so that means with your feet, you can get off the walls as we go down. Okay? Yeah.
Oh, okay.